What's up guys, Brad here with Shiny Tech Things, where we take things seriously. And on today's quick show, this is actually a special for Black Friday. Have you been looking everywhere for a new desktop computer and most of the Black Friday prices are just not all that great? Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the worst and the best that I've found personally myself. So first I'm going to take you over to a site and show you how to decipher the nomenclature of Intel's processors. So first we're going to head over to fossbytescom, and I'll have the link in the description for you. And scrolling on down, they have an example here. This is a Core i5 and say a 8250U. The beginning number or numbers designates the generation of the processor. So in this case, it is a 8th generation, and then you have the performance number 250 and then the chip's purpose, which is U. And if we scroll down, you'll see that U is for power efficient processors. Now, if you look at this table, the letter K shows that it is unlocked. Now, what that means is that the processor itself can actually be overclocked by the motherboard, by the user, if you so choose to. Coming over to Lenovo's site here, they have some Black Friday deals, and to be honest, they don't really look all that great. So this system here for $400, if we click on it, you can see it has a Intel Pentium Gold G6400 processor, which is fine for just regular desktop tasks, but anything more than that, you're going to easily choke that processor. You'd want to probably stick with an i3 or an i5, but again, it just depends what you're going to be using it for. Now, this system, ThinkCentre M70S small form factor for $480, if we click on it, and again, it is a Pentium Gold processor. Not really that good of a deal, in my opinion, for that price point, especially if you want something that's a little bit more powerful. Now, coming over to Dell's website, the cheapest, most powerful system that they have right here is a i5 10400. So this is a 10th generation processor, and the performance number is 400, and it is a i5. Now, one other thing that's very important when looking at buying a system now in 2021 is, will it be supported by Windows 11? Now, Windows 11 as a minimum requirement requires TPM, which is the Trusted Protection Module version 2.0, as well as a newer processor being 8th generation iSeries or newer. So this particular system, being a 10th generation processor, does fulfill that requirement. Now, clicking on the Vostro 3681, we can see for the Windows license, it comes with Windows 10 Pro, and it includes the Windows 11 Pro license as well. Now, this system is both powerful and affordable, coming with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of NVMe SSD storage. Now, I did go ahead and personally order one of these myself, so make sure that you're subscribed if you want to see an upcoming video on this particular machine. Now, another site that you might want to check out is Newegg, if you're not familiar with it. They are one of the largest online retailers for computer components and computers as well. They do have some pretty good prices on some processors, but again, the best bang for the buck that I've found, at least so far, was that Dell system, which is why I went ahead and ordered it right away. Now, if you found a more powerful tower for the same or lower price, then go ahead and drop that down below, and or shoot me an email over at brad@shinytechthings.com, as I'd love to check that one out. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.